Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to the midweek. It's Wednesday, June the 19th, and this is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on our weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. A lot to talk about, but fairly little impact on our weather here at home. We do have some peaks of sunshine to start the morning and actually a nice breeze, and some of that is due to some tropical weather down to our south, but it's warm and it's muggy out here. Roadways for the most part have been dry. We've seen some light rain and drizzle out there, so there may be a few spots where the rain is coming down, some nuisance rain once again, and those showers are going to continue to lift off toward the northeast, but still some sprinkles here and there across Acadiana during the early part of the day, but a better chance for showers and thunderstorms with the daytime heating coming up later this afternoon. Now, our local observations, we're running in the 70s across Acadiana. Again, we've got a nice breeze out here, so it's not terrible for a June Wednesday morning. We've got a front to our northwest. We've got potential tropical cyclone number 1 down to the south, and with a ridge of high pressure over the east coast, the pressure gradient is a bit tighter, and that's why we're seeing some of those breezes. But it has been funneling a lot of moisture up. Yesterday, not a lot of heavy rain, but we did have that widespread light to moderate rain throughout the day. Bulk of the action is going to be heading over toward Texas and Mexico, where potential tropical cyclone number 1 continues to move off toward the west very, very slowly. And as far as the conditions there, it is still a potential tropical cyclone. Reconnaissance aircraft have been back and forth, really not able to see a closed center of circulation, but it's a broad low pressure area. And we've seen tropical storm force winds as close as our offshore waters beyond 20 nautical miles. So some of you folks that are out there on the rigs are probably experiencing some rough seas and also some gusty winds. But look at that huge low pressure area kind of spinning from the eastern Gulf, western Gulf, Bay of Campeche, all the way to the Louisiana Gulf Coast. And some of that moisture has been pulled northward, but I think it's going to tighten up enough that the bulk of the moisture is going to be heading over toward Texas, where there's a bit more of a flood threat there, as what will possibly be Tropical Storm Alberto later today moves closer to the Texas and Mexican coast. Now, with a few more peaks of sunshine today, I do think our temperatures are going to be approaching 90, but out to the west, where the clouds and the rain will hang on from our tropical system, temperatures will remain in the 70s and the 80s. Let's go ahead and look at the extended GFS. So after one system moves inland, a lot of the models were hinting at maybe some more action over the Bay of Campeche or perhaps the Yucatan Channel. This is the computer model on the GFS that takes us all the way to the end of the month. So it goes all the way to July 1st. Some hints of some lower pressures over the western part of the Gulf, but anything organized, it looks like at least this model run and the one that ran before seems to be backing off a little bit. But we'll have to wait and see what happens over the next several days and see what the trends are. Of course, we'll go over all of that in Let's Talk Tropics later today, live at noon on Acadiana Weather Today. So we're going to hit 90 today with a mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, about a 50-50 bet today and tomorrow, and then we'll lower the rain chance a little bit more on Friday, but still enough energy out there, enough moisture too, to spark off those summertime showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon. High temperatures will reach 90 degrees. So not a terrible day, just a very summer-like day, but at least there will be a decent breeze thanks to potential tropical cyclone 1 down to the south. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please click the like button and also subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on those notifications. That way you know when Let's Talk Tropics starts later today at noon. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.